So any number of A's or any number of B's can come. So if I just want to denote this AB star, it can be denoted in the form of automata like this. Okay, so any number of A's or, so plus here is or and comma here is or. So if you want to denote A star, it is just a self loop of A. Okay, so why it's a self loop of A? This star, the value of star is from 0, 1, 2, 3. So keep in mind that there is a 0 here. 0 means that A raised to power 0 can be here. So it is nothing. Okay, so in this form, if you take a look at it, it depends upon the will of the user when there is a self loop to consider a string or not consider a string. However, if the automata is like that, okay, so this is your final state. Only after getting an input of A, I can reach to this final state. So this is a compulsion for us to consider this A. But if I do a self loop of A here, uh, okay, so this automata accept A, any number 1A, and also it accepts 2A's, also it accepts any number of A's. Okay, so in the first one, from Q node, we're getting the value of it is going towards Q1, which is a final state. Okay, so it is accepting the value of A. It means here the self loop of this one Q1 is 0. That is why I have not considered A here. Okay, so keep in mind wherever there is a star, it denotes a self loop, and in star 0 is also possible. Okay, so these are the all possible string. Okay, so again, if you extend this, I want to say that if I just want to derive this string from this expression ABA, okay, so A is always possible because it is starting with A. So now I need two strings. First is B, second is A. Okay, so what I do, I just raise to the power of 2. Okay, so after A, I need two strings, that is B and A. So I just raise the power of 2 and I just write it 2 times A plus B, A plus B. So it becomes 2. Now it means A or B. So what do I need here? B. From here I can take B from here, as well as A, I can take it from here. In the same way, another string can be, you can take it from here A, as well as take it from here A. Again, another string can be B, you can A or B, you can take it. So these are the kind of two length strings that are possible. Okay, so I think you get a little bit of understanding that what a regular expression is. Okay, so now to build it, just you know the intuition, just follow the smallest string that is present inside the language. So the smallest string here is A. Okay, so go with this. So I just go with the Q node. Q node is your starting state. After that, after receiving an input of A, you are going towards the final state. Okay, so that becomes your Q1. Okay, okay. After that, I do not need to worry about any number of A's or any number of B's can come. Okay, so now the second step right now, the first step is to check the smallest string. Second step is to check the transition symbol. Okay, so check the transition of transition Q node A has to be defined, transition Q node B has to be defined. In the same way, transition Q1 A has to be defined, transition Q1 B has to be defined. Okay, so on Q node A, it is going towards Q1, but B is not defined. So keep in mind, we didn't define B here. So I have not defined B. On A, it is staying at Q1. On B, it is staying at Q1. So both the states are defined on the final state. So this automata is completed. So this state is completed. I do not need to worry about this state. Only in this state there is a string B is not defined here. Okay. So what do I do to define it? So the simplest solution is always to start to do a self loop here. Okay, so if I do a self loop here, now what is happening here? If I do a self loop, the strings like B, A are also possible in this automata. Okay, so if you keep a look at it, Q node on B is going towards Q node, Q node on A it's going towards Q1, and Q1 on A it's going towards Q1. So this is the final state. It means BAA is in the language. Okay, is in the language, but it should not be in the language because all the strings that are starting with A should be in the language. Okay, so that is a wrong. It means I cannot do a self loop here. If you just clearly understand that what I do, if in the starting I occur a B here, I just do a dead state. Okay, if in the starting a B comes, I just divert it to a state called QD and it just stays there. Okay, now check the transition. Transition of Q naught on A is defined, that is going towards Q1. Transition of Q naught on B is defined, that is going towards QD. In the same way, check the transition of QD also. Transition of QD on A is defined, that is staying at QD. Transition of QD and B is defined, that is staying at QD. Okay, so that means that state is completed and that state is completed. So always check the second step. I think most of you will get the mistake here. They forget to check the second step. Okay. So the transition for every state, every input has to be defined. Okay. So it should only follow one path. Okay. So like this A is follow. I cannot write here A. So it will become two paths for the same input. I cannot do that. That is for an effect. Okay. So I think you get it. Now just try the second question and second and third question yourself. I think you can easily do this. Okay, so try it. Send me the solution in the chat, so you know the drill. Okay, again, if you have any doubt, this is the tutorial part, and I think you should ask any kind of doubt that comes in your mind. Okay, so now the students are also less. If you have any doubt, I can get rid of it if you have any. Okay, so just try these two questions and post your solution in the chat box. Just take 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, so I will tell you the solution at exactly 140 943. Siddharth, don't worry, we will take the attendance at the end of the lecture. Okay, so don't worry if you are like 5 or 10 minutes late, it can be accommodated. So don't the limit is 10 minutes. If you are late, after 10 minutes, you will be marked absent. So keep in mind. Okay, absolutely correct answer by Mayank. Okay, so again, follow the same thing you know about this, that the first is the language step that it says that where each strings ends with A. Okay, so the smallest strings that ends with A is A itself. After that, any number of A's and any number of B's can come. It should always end with A. Okay. So this is also infinite set. Okay. So go for the smallest string. Okay. So Rohan, your automata is correct. But the second one in Q1, A is not defined. Okay. So the transition, check the transition on all states. Okay. So Sakshi, I think it's correct. Question which, okay, so do have draw. Okay, for Sakshi, the first question that it ends with A. Okay, so Sakshi, in your automata, if I give A, B, it also accepts the string. Okay, so it should end with A, but in your automata, it is also ending with B. I think it's the question 2 or 3. It's 3. Okay, so second question is here. If it's end with B, okay. So for question 2, that is ending with B here, Sakshi, if you try a string called A B A. Okay, so A B A is also ending with A, but in your automata it just goes to the dead state. Okay, so you can just a little bit of modification is needed here in question 2. I think question 3 is correct. Okay, so B and A, B and A. So it should continue. Yes, question 3 is right by Sakshi. Mayank, yes, question 3 is right. Okay. Okay, so go for the smallest thing. I think you are able to get it now, because go for the smallest string, that is A here. Okay, so for A, uh, this should be accepted. Okay, so this is accepted. This is your state called Q naught, and this is the state called Q1. Okay, Rohan, if you try that, there is nothing wrong, but on Q1, A is not defined. Okay, so you should comma A here on Q1 state. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
sir, I have drawn the dead state in question 2.
You have drawn the dead state in question 2. Yes. Yes, yes. So if you give a string A, B, A. Okay, so this string is also ending with A. Yes.
Yes, sir.
But if you give it in your automata, what happens on getting an input of A, it goes towards the QF state. On getting an input of B, it goes to the QD state, and after that it will always stay there. So this string is also ending with A, but it is not accepted in your automata. Okay, so you have to modify this.
Okay, sir.
Okay, get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is fairly easy. If you just write a regular expression of it, it just says it has to end with A before it any number of A and any number of B's can come. Okay, so it will be more easy in NFA, but we are not doing NFA, keep in mind. Okay, so I just for the smallest one I can do this. Okay, so keep in mind, do not write like this A comma B, because on Q node now A is going towards two different direction. It does not happen in DSA. Okay, so I cannot do that. Keep in mind. Okay. So I just stick with the procedure here. First is to draw the smallest string. It is saying that it should end with A, so I just do a self loop of it to make sure that it is always ending with A. Okay, so that is why I've done it. After that, what can I do? I have to check the transition. Okay, so transition of Q naught on A is defined, B is not defined. Keep in mind, transition of Q1 on A is defined, but B is not defined. So keep in mind that B is not defined. So the simplest solution is to do a self loop. Okay, so but by doing a self loop, the strings that are ending with B are also part of the language. Okay, so I cannot do a self loop here. I know that if I do a self loop here, the strings like A, B is also accepted in this language. So self loop is not possible. So what can I do? I can divert this to the first state. By diverting this to the first state, what will happen? Okay, so any number of A's, it is always staying at Q1. Okay, so if you see at this question, any number of A's, A followed by any number of A's, A followed by any number of A's is staying at Q1, which is a final state, which is correct. Okay, so it is always ending with Q1. But after getting an input of B at Q node, at Q1, it just goes to a state Q node, which is not a final state. Again, anything ending with B is not accepted, so that is again correct. Okay, so I have made sure that only after receiving an input of B at Q node it can go to so after receiving only an input of A at Q node it can go to the QF, which is the final state. Okay, so that I just made sure that if any, because if you try to divert this into a dead state, what will happen that after getting to the dead states, there can be strings that are ending with A also. So that can, if you divert this into a dead state, it means that they are trapped there forever. They cannot move to the final state. Okay, so if I just follow a path A string should be in the language, but if I divert this into the dead state, it will always end there. Okay, so I cannot do a dead state here. Keep in mind. Okay, so you can try different combination. You have to check different strings. Okay, that is why I have diverted and checking the strings that are possible or not. Okay, so in this way, a transition of Q1 on A and B is defined. So this state is complete. Okay, so this state is completed. Now I have to check the transition of B and O. Now the easiest thing to do is to try the first transition, the self loop here. Okay, so by doing a self loop of B on Q node, what will happen? Starting any number of B's can come B, but it is always ending in A. So I don't think it is affecting my question here. So any number of B's can also come in the starting. So that is there is no worry about it, but it always ending with A. I just made sure of it. Okay, so there can be string like this B star A strings are also possible. It should be in the language because it is always ending with A. Okay, so if I do a self loop of B, I don't think it is harming anything. So a self loop of B is possible in this scenario. Okay, so this is the correct automata for the question 2 here. Okay, in the same way,
Sir, in case of epsilon, it is not considered in that.
epsilon in this, if I just see write epsilon in this, this epsilon is not ending with A. Okay, it is ending with epsilon. So I cannot write this in the language. Okay.
Okay.
Or you are asking a different question.
This one only, sir. I'm asking if there is empty string, then what is the case in that?
If there is an empty string should be in the language or not, you are asking this, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So keep in mind just look at the language. It says where each strings end with A. Okay. So epsilon is not ending with A. Okay. So keep in mind epsilon is not ending with A, but it is ending with epsilon. Okay. So ending with epsilon. So that is why this epsilon is not the part of this language. Okay, so that is why the initial state is not final state. Get it? Okay. So again, go for the third question, and third question is again based on the same line. It just says contains A. So contain A means if you write the language, so the smallest thing that contain A is A. It can be in the starting, it can be in the middle, it can be in the end. Okay, so A can be anywhere, it just should contain A. I do not need to worry about it, it can be anywhere. Okay, so if I write a regular expression of it, if I just say this is a permanent string, it should be placed on an arrow. Before it any number of A's and B's can come, I do not need to worry about it. After any number of A and B's can come, I do not need to worry about it. I just want to make sure that this A should be on written on a hard coded. If I just write it on an arrow, it means I have hard coded this A. If I just do a self loop, it doesn't mean I have hard coded. Okay, so this is a A star. But if I write it on an arrow, it means I have hard coded A. Okay, so it means I have hard coded A. After or before, I do not care, any number of A's and B's can come. Okay, so the smallest thing you do is go for the 5. Okay, so this is the smallest string acceptance. Okay, so after it, any number of A's and B's can come. I do not need to worry about it here. On Q1, transition of A and B is defined, so this state is complete. So transition of B is not defined here. Okay, so if I do a self loop of B, it is not affecting it. So any number of B's can come. After that, A is always gonna come because I have hard coded this on an arrow. Okay, so I think this is a correct automata, and A and B is defined on Q node also. Okay, so again, if you have any doubt. Okay. Okay. So the next question is again fairly very basic. It just says that it should start with AB. Okay. So if you have done this A, these three questions are based on the same lines. Okay. So out of these three, just try to do the first two. So the third question will be very basic question. I think anybody can do the first sixth question. Okay, so try the first question right now. I will tell you the answer in a bit. Just take 2 minutes. I just increase the font size. Okay, so try. Okay, so I think most of you are getting it. Okay, so if you are drawing it right now, okay, uh, you can make mistakes, so don't worry about it. Again, I will say you that there can be different automatas that can exist that is different from the automata that I have drawn. Okay, again keep in mind that there is only one minimal automata. There can be multiple automatas for different language. Okay, but if you are drawing it different, keep sure to post your answer on the chat box so that I can check and tell you that this is correct or not. Okay, so I will give you strings that are supposed to be accepted, that are not accepted in your automata. In this way you can modify it again. Okay, so go for this. Starts with A. Okay, starts with AB. So the smallest string here will be AB. After that, any number of A's and any number of B's can come. I do not need to worry about it. So it should always starts with AB. Okay. So if I just write a regular expression of it, it will be AB. After it, any number of A's and any number of B's can come. Okay. So keep in mind, you cannot do that. The transition AB cannot be written it like this. Okay. So it will always be transition of one string. Keep in mind, this is wrong and this is correct. Okay. So if I go for the smallest string, that is AB, this is Q node. The smallest string will be A. Oh, simple. A followed by a B. Okay, so this will be in our final state. After that, any number of A and any number of B can come. I do not need to worry about it. Okay, so check for this Q node. On Q node, A is defined but B is not defined. Keep in mind that we haven't defined B on Q node. On Q1, B is defined but A is not defined. Okay, so that only these two transitions are remaining. On Q2. The definition of A and B is defined. Okay, so for this, start from the backward, so it will be easy for you. So for the A, the easiest way to do is to do a self loop. Okay, so if I do a self loop here, what will be possible? A should be followed by A star should be followed by B. Okay, so it means that there can be some strings like A, that is not starting with AB, but it also contained in the language. It should not be in the language. If you clearly look at it, AAB should not be in the language because it is not starting with AB. Okay, so if I just go for Q node, it is going towards Q1. After Q1, it is staying at Q1, and after receiving input of it is going towards Q2, which is a final state. It means that it is saying that AAB is in the language, but this is wrong. So it means that I cannot do a self loop of A here. Okay, so what will I do? I just want that in between this AB, no one can disturb with any number of A here. So nothing can disturb between these two. Okay, so what can I do? I just can draw a dead state here. If any A come, it just diverted into a dead state called QD. After that, it just stays there. Okay, keep in mind that you have to again write a loop of AB here. So dead state always contains a loop of AB. Okay, so transition of every, you have to check the transition of every input on every state. Okay, so again, if you just write it QD, technically it's wrong. You have to write it like this. Okay, so by this is only the name of the dead state. I cannot be sure by looking at the name that this is a dead state. I am only sure by seeing that loop on it. Okay, okay, so on B here I can do a self loop here, but by doing a self loop here, what can happen? The strings like BAB will also be in my automata or in the language. Okay, so if you check BAB on Q node, getting an input of B, it is staying at the Q node, or getting an input of A at Q node, it is going towards Q1, and getting an input of B again, it is going towards Q2. This is a final state. It means that BAB is in our language, but it is not correct because it should not be in our language. So I cannot do a self loop here again. So what can I do? I can again I just know that with the starting only A and B come. Before it, no one can disturb this A, B. So after it, and no number, no, no B should come. Any number of B should not come. Okay, so what do? I can draw a dead state differently also, but if you have already drawn it, there is no need to change. There is no need to draw another dead state. Okay, so I am just diverting this to this dead state. Okay, so you can draw another dead state, but we always go with the minimum number of states. If you have drawn a dead state, you just use that dead state. Okay, so I think you also get this automata. Okay, so try this automata now. The strings contains AB. Okay. Okay, so Rohan, if in your automata, if you check the string, okay, so one mistake that you are all doing is that you are only concentrating on the strings that lies in your language. Okay, so you have to check those strings also that are not supposed to be in my language. Okay, so if I say that BAB should not be in my language, uh, it should not be accepted by drawn automata. Okay, so Rohan, if you check in this automata, if you give a string BAB, it is also accepted, because if you do a self loop of Q node, BAB string can also uh, get in the language. So I do not want that string in my language. That is why I have to do a dead state of it. Okay, so you have drawn the skeleton right. Just you have to modify a bit on the state Q node, transition of Q node, and transition of Q1 on A, and transition of B on Q node should go to a dead state. Okay, so Rohan, I think you have completed all the state. Again, on final state, the transition of A is not defined. Okay, so again, check it. I think you will do a self loop of A. If I just consider that you will do a self loop of A, so what string can I give you? Okay, so if I give you a string BAB, BAB is also accepted in your automata. It should not be, because it is not starting with AB. Okay, so you have to do a dead state of Q
So
naught or B. Yes, yes.
I thought that you said to make the third one, so I made it to end with AB.
Okay, okay. So this is ending
Yeah,
with AB.
sorry. Yeah, sorry.
Take me look. That is correct. That is correct, but you have to define the state A on Q3. Only this is remaining.
Yes, sir. So I will put the A loop to Q2 to Q1.
Yes, then it will be correct. Then it will be absolutely correct.
Okay, sir.
Also write in the question that you are doing what question. Okay, so I sometimes I get confused. Sakshi has done the question ending with AB.
No, sir, question 5.
Question 5 contains AB. Okay, okay. So contains AB. Yeah, that's correct. Shayash, your automata is again absolutely correct. It is correct for containing AB. Yes, that is correct. Absolutely. Mayank has drawn the automata for containing AB. If it is for containing AB, so the strings like AB, okay, sixth one ends with AB. So Mayank, if you try the string AB, AB, so it should be accepted, but in your automata, AB, AB is not accepted. So you just do a little bit of modification here. Okay, Rohan, I think that is correct. Rohan Malhotra, for containing AB, this automata is absolutely correct. And I think Rohan, you have drawn ending with AB, I think. Yes, yes. Ending with AB. Okay, it seems correct. Just you have to put a B on Q1 to QF. I think that is after that. If you put a B, that is absolutely correct. Your automata is absolutely correct for ending with AB. Okay, so we got Chirag automata here. Chirag, your automata is absolutely correct for containing AB. Yes, yes, absolutely correct. So Mayank has done some modification, I think for sixth question, ending with AB. So if I just take a look at it, AB, AB, okay. Okay, so Mayank, if you give a string A, AB, A, AB, this string is not accepted because if you see AAB is also ending with AB, but it is not accepted in your automata. Okay, so just a little bit of modification. After that, it will be a correct. Sayesh has drawn the automata. That is absolutely correct. Sayesh, that is absolutely correct for ending AB. Yes, yes. Sparsh, yes, that is correct for containing AB. That is absolutely correct. Sparsh, that is for ending AB. It is again absolutely correct. Yes, yes, absolutely. I think you are now getting what automata is. Okay, so now the next question is very basic fairly because it just if I just raise, this is raising a level by just a half here. This is not a very difficult question, but it is just raising the level by half. Okay, so it just says that the string should start with A and end with B. Okay, so again I think that you can easily draw this automata, start with A and end with B. So just try it. This is very basic question. Again, if you want any question that I solve, please tell me that I will solve it. Okay, so if you are again and not understanding anything, I will again explain the whole question. Any question, you just name it. In the previous one that you do not understand any question, just name it. I will again explain it. Okay, so there is one thing that I want to tell in this question. There is something. If you just divide this question into two parts, it just says string starts with A, ends with B. Okay, so if I just say language one is starts with A, it will be A, B, A, any number of A's and any number of A's. Language 2 will be end with B. Okay, so language 2, if I just divide this question, so it will be smallest B, A, B, A, B, B. Okay, so I just want to tell you one thing, that there is something called the concatenation operator. So this is denoted by this dot, concatenation. Okay, so what this actually concatenation do is, if I just do a concatenation of L1 and L2. Okay, so if I just write a language directly that starts with A and ends with B here, the smallest language will be AB. Okay, so after that, any number of A's, it should end with B. Any number of B's, it is always end with B, and it is infinite string. Okay, so if I just concatenate these two strings, concatenation means just take a string from here, take a string from this L2 and place it together. Okay, so this is string concatenation, you know about this. Okay, so take a string from here, take a string from here, combine it, you will get another thing, A, B. Take a string from here, take a string from here, you will again get the same thing. Okay, so A, double B. In the same way, take a string from here, A, B, A. Take a string from here, B. A, B, you get the point. Okay, so if you clearly look at it, this is starting with A, ending with B, starting with A, ending with B, starting with A, ending with B. Okay, so this is kind of the same language that you have exactly write it before anything. Okay, so this L1 is a concatenation of two different language. I do not want to tell you anything. Just keep in mind that in DFAs, concatenation operator is possible. Concatenation operator exists. Just I want to tell you that this, keep in mind that concatenation operator exists. Okay, you can draw that automata directly. Do not need to worry about that. Okay, so you can draw it for L1. Okay, so keep going. Okay, so I think Mayank has given the answer. Okay, start with A, end with B. Yes, absolutely correct. Okay, so if I just starting, you forget about this concatenation, just start with the language that you have written here. So again, follow the same procedure, go for the smallest string. In this, the smallest string here is A followed by a B. Okay, A followed by a B. So I want that it should always end with B and it should always start with A. So again, if in the starting any B come, it just go to a dead state. And in the end, if any A come, what can I do? It should always end with B. So that is why I do a self loop of B here. What can I do here? If any A comes in the starting, I cannot divert this to dead state. Okay, so keep in mind, if I divert this to dead state, after going into the dead state, it will look like this. Okay, so it will be a QD AB. So the strings A, B, A, it is now it's gone to the dead state. Now B. Now this string is starting with A, ending with B. But if you do a dead state of A here, it will go to, this string will not be accepted in this automata. Okay, so again, you cannot do a dead state here for A here. So A should be diverted in a way that it, after receiving an input of A, should be diverted in a way that after receiving an input of B, it should go back to the final state. Okay, if I just do this thing, getting an input of A, it is diverted to this Q1. After getting an input of B, it means that it is ending with B. Okay, so it will go towards the final state, that is Q. Okay, so only remaining thing is A is defined here on Q0, transition of A and B is defined, the state is complete. On Q1, transition of B is defined, A is remaining, keep in mind. On Q2, transition of B and A is defined, the state is complete. Okay, so for the transition of A, what can I do? Simplest is to do a self loop here. If I do a self loop, what will happen? A, after it, any number of A's can come. Yes, any number of A's can come. After that, it will always be ending with B. So I don't think doing a self loop is affecting anything. So I can do a self loop here. Okay. So this is the answer that is related to this. Okay. So again, if you see the concatenation operator, I just want to tell you again one more thing. If you draw automata of L1 here, okay, so you will see some bits and pieces of these individual automata in this combined automata. Okay, so if you see that if I draw automata of this language that says that it is starting with A. Okay, so for starting with A, you have drawn it in the first question, I think. So it is always starting with A. After that, any number of A and B's can come. Before it, any number of A's and B's can come. I think it is starting. Oh, so it should not. It will not start with A here, because if I do a self loop of B, B will start. So I have to do a dead state here. Okay. So for this starting with A, this one with the automata for L2, for ending with B. So ending with B, again you have drawn the automata like ending with A. So it is one and the same thing. The automata will be same. So the smallest string will be this. After that, any number of A can come. It will be diverted to this state. Okay. So after it, I should end with B. Okay. So this will be your automata. Okay, so if you clearly look a bit and pieces of it, you will find it in this. Okay, so if I just say this is for D1 dot DFA1 for L language 1 2, this is D2 for DFA2 here, you will find that some pieces are resembling this part. Okay, so this is kind of a D1 and this is kind of a D2. Okay, not exactly similar, but some pieces of it are very similar. If you see the skeleton of the automata, so again there is nothing to read between the lines here. I just want to introduce you, I just want to tell you that concatenation operator uh, is possible in DFA. Okay, so there is no procedure that you can concatenate these two automatas and form a one automata. There is no kind of procedure. There is no formal procedure available for this. So you can directly go for this automata. You do not go for this. Okay. So from there to there, there is no exact algorithm defined. So you just keep in mind there is something called a concatenation. Okay, just this. Okay. So again, this two question, I think you can do it at home. This question, there is a little bit of error here. This question just says again, please complete this question. The solution of these are also posted. If you are not able to solve it, you can look at the solution here. But just there is a little bit of mistake here. I said construct a DFA which accepts a set of all string where each string starts and ends with a different symbol. Okay, and ends with different symbol. Okay, so this is a different one. That means that if it is starting with A, it is ending with B. It is ending with starting with B, it is ending with A. Okay, so the automata that will be drawn is exactly similar to this one. Only the change will be in the vertical path. Okay, so you have drawn starting with A, ending with B. So if you reach a string, you can go towards this AB. The exact horizontal part will be exactly similar, but the vertical part where you draw a dead state of B, again you have to define the vertical path for starting with B, ending with B. Okay. So again, the next question, I just in this question there is a bit of misunderstanding that most people do. Just want to make very clear about this question. Again, I will tell you some properties that are hidden here. I will make it helpful, but just keep look at it. Here will be which accept the string where each string starts and ends. Okay, with the same symbol. Okay, so in the language here, again the if the A is starting and ending with same symbol, if it is starting with A, it will be ending with A. Okay, so smallest string in the language will starting with A, ending with A will be there. So it is starting and ending with same symbol. B will again be there, starting and ending with same symbol. Again, epsilon will be here in this language because epsilon is again starting with epsilon and ending with epsilon also. So just most of the students will make mistake that they will not consider these three in the language. Okay, so I think you can easily do this question. Okay, so I just want something that I want to share something. Just wait for a minute. Okay, so this is some fun activity that I like to do with you. Okay, so Just wait for a minute. So if you are online, all of you, just go at this website, okay, kahoot.it, and uh, just particularly 84513. Okay,